what's up? It's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing another makeup look from the anime Demon Slayer, but this time I'm doing the character Akaza. He is from season 2, I believe, and one of the higher up demons. And he also has red hair, and I have like the pink red hair right now, so I thought it'd be fitting to do a makeup look for Akaza. But also, Akaza has like some pretty cool face tattoos or face painting patterns on his face. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to do a makeup look for this character. Before I get started with doing the makeup tutorial, I just wanted to mention some of my other social media platforms. On TikTok, I post all of these makeup looks that I do for my YouTube channel, of course, but I also have been posting some other anime-related content, which includes room decor and hairstyles and stuff like that. So if you want to check it out, my social media handle will be somewhere in the video, or you can just click on the link in the description down below. Also, for my Instagram, I also am posting anime-related content, but I'm going to try to focus more on fashion and just like little vlogs for that Instagram account. There's going to be other stuff too, so if you want to check it out, you can also click on the link in the description down below. Enough about that, we can get right into the video. Alright, so before the video started, I already went ahead and did some of my makeup, so that includes like foundation and concealer. We're gonna go ahead and do the eye look right now. I'm gonna take some white concealer and put just a little dot on my eyelids and blend it out. I'm just gonna be using it as a primer for the eyeshadow. I just use my finger to blend it out. Okay, I put a little bit too much concealer on one side, but it's fine because it's just going to be covered in eyeshadow. Next, I am going to be taking this medium-sized eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in this bright red glittery color right here. And I'm just going to swipe this all over my lid. Okay, I got the first eyeshadow color down, and I just wanted to mention that when I was coming up with this makeup look, I really thought about getting red false lashes for the makeup look, but to save some money, I decided not to do that, so that's why I'm doing a red eyeshadow look right now. Alright, next I am taking a smaller round eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in this like reddish orange color right here. And I'm going to put this on the inner corners and outer corners of the other red that I put down earlier. And just for some inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking a different small round brush, and I'm going in this like light white glittery shade right here, and I'm going to put this in the inner corners just slightly on top of the red. Okay, lastly for the makeup look, I'm going back in the first red that I used earlier, and I'm taking a small concealer brush. And I'm just going to put this on the bottom part of my eye and just line the bottom part. Alright, now we can get started with the fun part with the blue marks on his face. I am taking this water activated eyeliner kit I have from the brand Matte Lashes, and I'm using this like dark blue color right here. Oh, and also I'm just taking one of the brushes that the kit comes with. Or I think I bought it separately, but it's from the same website, so. Okay, I'm gonna get started and do the outer like half rings on this side of my face. And I'm also gonna be using a reference picture as I do this. This one is kinda on the outer corner of the eyebrow. And I'm just gonna make a thin line to start, because I can always fix the thickness later on. Okay, I got the first like half circle down. I feel like it's not perfect, but it looks okay to me. I am gonna continue just doing a time lapse of this side. Okay, I got one side of the half circles done. It's not perfect, but looks good to me. I really debated if I wanted to continue to blue through my eyebrows, and I ended up just doing it. Next, we're gonna do the center line. I am just gonna guess that it's gonna stop right here, I think. Like the top of my bridge of my nose. So I'm just gonna put a little dot there and then make thin lines in the center of my head. And then I'm just gonna continue making it more thick and uniform. Okay, got the center line down, and I'm just gonna continue doing the other side off camera. Alright, I feel like I look a little crazy, but here is the finished product of the blue eyeliner. I'm gonna move on to finishing up the makeup look so it looks more polished. I'm gonna be taking some like purple holographic highlighter, and I'm just gonna add some highlights to my face. So in the center of my nose, and a little bit on the center of my bridge. I'm kind of just going in layers until I get a desired highlight look. A little bit right here in the area that doesn't have any blue eyeliner in it. And a little bit on my cupid's bow. Alright, to finish off the makeup look, now I'm gonna do the lips. I'm taking this liner angled brush and I'm going in a light brown color here. And I'm just gonna try to make my lips more pointed on the outer corners. Not too much, just slightly, because akaza doesn't really have like a very slanted or thin lip shape. I don't know. Now to line my lips, I'm gonna be using my eyebrow pencil and line the outer parts of my lips. And kind of blend it out a little bit with my finger. And now I'm just gonna put on some clear lip gloss. Alright, now off camera, I'm going to be putting in some yellow contacts and some false lashes on, and also some styling spray to set the whole look, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, here is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed how it turned out. I feel like whenever I put on the lashes and the color contacts in, it's a little difficult for me to see, but oh well. Yeah, I know the makeup look isn't perfect, but you know, as someone who's more like an amateur at makeup, I thought it'd be fun to do these videos because, you know, not everyone has the skills or resources to be able to do cosplays, and everyone does enjoy cosplay from time to time, so I thought it'd be fun to do these makeup looks in general. You can let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions for other characters I can try a makeup look for, you can also leave that in the comment down below. Also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and you could subscribe to my channel if you want more anime and makeup related content. If you're interested in checking out my TikTok and Instagram, don't forget to check those out. The social media handle will be somewhere in the video, or you can check the description down below. I think that was it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Bye!